right, Blue Ridge Hook and Haul. Excited to go get another junk car. All right, so here's the car we're picking up. Oh, we got to get it out of here, obviously. Whoa. Hey, look at this big hole right here. Yeah, you can't.
I'm gonna pull the truck up and see if I can drive it out of here.
You can't hit that hole.
No, I can't bring the truck in there. I gotta pull this out. So I might be able to start. Wow, this is slow. I don't know, did he start? It's too wide if that chewed up.
Oh yeah, that thing is toasted.
Alright, hold on a second. Let me just jump back. Pull the truck up.
Wow, so this is the car we're getting. Lucky us. This is our new car. Ooh, look at our new car. Ooh, can't wait to get this bad boy home.
The thing is, it'll probably clean up nice. Alright, go back to the side over there. Back
I
up.
am. All right, over here, kids. Oh, look at that. He got a new car started. He's driving it out of here. Look at those nice nails on the side.